Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into 20 fitness challenge workouts to transform your body. These workouts are designed to help you achieve your fitness goals quickly and effectively. Whether you want to build strength, endurance, flexibility, or burn fat, we've got a challenge for you. Let's get started. First up, we have the 5-Minute Core Crusher. Kickstart your day with a 5-minute core workout challenge. Perform planks, bicycle crunches, and leg raises back-to-back for 1 minute each. Take a 30-second break and repeat. This challenge strengthens your abs, improves balance, and increases endurance. Even short sessions daily can tone your midsection fast. Next, the 7-minute Full Body Blast. Try the 7-minute Full Body Challenge. Alternate between jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, and mountain climbers for 45 seconds each. Rest for 15 seconds and repeat. This workout is perfect for busy people. It activates all major muscle groups and boosts metabolism in a short, intense session. And for those who love cardio, we have 10,000 steps in 24 hours. Take the Daily Step Challenge. Walk, jog, or run until you hit 10,000 steps. It's simple, yet highly effective for cardiovascular health. Use a smartwatch or phone to track your progress. This challenge improves endurance, burns calories, and encourages a more active lifestyle. Now let's move on to strength training with the Plank Hold Challenge. How long can you hold a plank? Start with 30 seconds and increase daily by 5 to 10 seconds. This workout strengthens your core, arms, and back. A plank challenge helps improve posture and mental focus. Track your progress for extra motivation. For our next challenge, we have the 30-Day Squat Challenge. Do 50 squats daily for 30 days. Gradually increase reps each week. Squats build lower body strength, tone legs and glutes, and improve mobility. Pair it with proper nutrition for maximum results. This challenge is perfect for anyone looking to sculpt their legs efficiently. And for arm strength, try the Push-Up Challenge. Set a goal to complete 100 push-ups a day. Divide it into sets. Make standard, wide, and diamond push-ups. This strengthens chest, arms, and shoulders while increasing endurance. Track your reps and aim to beat your personal best each week for continued improvement. Next up is the 14-Day Jump Rope Challenge. Jump rope for 10 to 15 minutes a day for 2 weeks. This full-body cardio challenge improves coordination, burns fat, and boosts heart health. Start slow and increase speed and duration gradually. It's fun, effective, and can be done almost anywhere. For a full-body strength and cardio challenge, try the Burpee Challenge. Perform 50 burpees daily for a week. Burpees target your entire body and are excellent for strength and cardio. This high-intensity workout burns calories fast, improves endurance, and strengthens your core, legs, and arms. Push yourself but maintain proper form to avoid injuries. Now let's work on your leg strength and endurance with the Wall Sit Challenge. Hold a wall sit for as long as possible. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and add time daily. This challenge strengthens your thighs, glutes, and core while building endurance. It also improves mental toughness as you push through discomfort. And for those looking to strengthen their core, we have the 100 AB Reps Challenge. Do 100 AB reps daily using crunches, sit-ups, and leg raises. Divide reps into manageable sets. This strengthens your core, improves posture, and enhances stability. Consistency is key, and gradually increasing difficulty ensures continuous results. So there you have it, 10 incredible fitness challenges to transform your body. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to achieving your fitness goals. Choose the challenges that suit you best and give them your all. Don't forget to consult your doctor before starting any new workout routine. With the right mindset and effort, you can achieve remarkable transformations. Stay motivated and crush those challenges. In the link below is a supplement that can help you with your challenge.